Every second, 75 new cyber attacks occur on the internet. So, how secure is your digital brain? Notion? I'm about to show you how to turn your Notion into a fortress in just 60 seconds. First, click on Settings and Members in the left sidebar. In the new screen, select My Account. Find the two-step verification toggle and turn it on. Choose Code from Authenticator for enhanced security. Open your secure Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the Add button, usually at the bottom left. Scan the QR code displayed on your Notion screen. You can give your Authenticator a name in Notion if you like. Enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator into Notion. Remember, this code changes every 30 seconds and is unique to you. And you're done! Your Notion workspace is now secured with 2FA.